shot.
Yeah.
There she goes.
Yeah. Damn, I hooked that. No, it's fine. This is like my 5.
Well, yeah, we're both
on
we're
5
one
as
ahead.
well.
We're
Cool.
both hitting 6.
Oh, slow down.
Oh, nice shot.
Too much. No.
Where'd it?
Sounded pretty damn good.
Flying right down the left side there. It's beautiful.
Well, it was a great little stinger of a drive. I'm going to try to get it there with a 52. It's 100 yards. Chunker. A little closer, though. A little closer. A little chipski.
Deep breath, baby. Yeah.
And that's still...
Yeah, more out. I would have been like the peak there, but still might come down, bud. That's okay. Still coming towards the hole, man.
Right? No, see? Ah. That's a dipper, man. That's a dipper. Yeah, I hate this one too. I hated the last one too.
Yeah.
I don't
Next
think I
one's
like
gonna
this
be good.
I don't think I like this golf course, to be honest.
Not yet. Well, not the starting
We'll
three.
see. We'll see what happens.
Yeah. We'll go.
Oh!
Nice kickoff. Yeah.
No way.
Sounded good, Donwood. Sounded good.
I'm on the green. And I couldn't be happier with that pitching wedge shot. Look at where it landed me on the green after a little rollout. That's too bad. Pretty good line, but...
And
back.
go left and kick off the cart path. And no. Yes.
That's okay. Chip and a putt.
Chip and a putt.
Chip and a putt.
I chunked her.
Yes.
Come back, come back.
Hammered it though.
Yeah, shit. Oh, good shot. Oh, shit. That was so close. Uh-oh. A little far, maybe?
You got the dark wind?
Oh,
shit. What'd you go with, bro?
I teethed it.
What'd you go?
Pitching wedge.
Oh, it's your pitch.
But I teethed it.
Get out of there.
Oh, so close.
Oh,
It was
man.
very close.
It's all good.
I thought I could just cheeky lead.
That's what you want. That was a good backstop there, bro. That was really good. I like how
really
it,
good.
Yeah, I like how it caught itself, little couple. Nothing wrong with that. Stay left.
Four.
Four. And you're safe.
I don't like this golf course.
Right. But dude, look. Conroy, you in?
Of course.
Okay. It's
might stop right away anyways.
And that's a good, a little too much, dude. That was a good idea. Good roll, man. Great roll.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, look at you.
Oh, that's where the green is over there too. He fucking crushed
Blaster from Master. Very nice.
We play better in cold.
This is the most hardcore weather I played golf in. Let's try to finish this hole with a birdie. I think I can do it. Here we go. I'm gonna birdie this hole before we quit. Oh, there we go. The golf god slowed down for me. Here we go, baby. Take a hit again. Very nice. Kick it. Hit it. Go in, come on! Come on! Come on! Oh! That was good, hey? Nice, right on, right on.
These conditions, man. Come on, sleep. Look at this guy. Kick right a little bit for you.
No, he's going. You clear that bunker?
Good distance, good distance.
Yeah, good distance.
Burr. So I'm actually in this bunker. It's wet as hell. I'm gonna try to do my little cheeky chip out of it here again. Oh, maybe I'm gonna play a little bit more aggressive here. Oh yeah! Slow down, slow down. The wind is howling, I'm freezing. I'm ready to end this round, but we gotta finish what you start.
Coming around nice. Very nice. Left to right. Perfect.
Fairway golf, please.
Oh, slow down, come on. Yeah, it hits me right down, eh?
Yeah, oh my God.
What a crazy day.
Oh. I finished with a hockey stick. My hand is numb.
Yeah, my hands are numb too.
Okay. Alright.
Ooh.
That was fun. That was fun, guys. That was the most interesting game.